All right, welcome aboard again. Whoa. Yeah, so it's been a while since I made a video. I went to have another throat surgery, so hopefully you guys can hear me. But I have a few new things which we'll take a look at now for the Viva. And of course, it's still a project. The front axle is still in pieces, but we have new stuff that came. Actually, here's our kit to make the brake lines, so that's something good. You can make a double, some kind of a double cone tool. I don't know, never used one before. We'll see how that goes when we get to it. In my Viva box here, I'm not sure if I showed you guys, but I found a set of new calipers for the Viva, which we'll be putting onto the car or on the front axle. These are HEL, H-E-L, brake lines for the Vauxhall Magnum. So, nice looking color. We'll be putting those two whenever we get all the way there. What else is new? These are bearings for the front, which I believe are the same as in a Ford Fiesta. If not, I'll put it on the screen now. If it's not, if it is, then I won't put anything on the screen. What else do we have? New stuff. A switchboard. This one. This is a panel, a starting panel for the Viva, which will obviously be putting to the space where the rear view mirror is. So this will come up there. You can switch on, I don't know, the fan, fuel pump, stuff like that. And of course the start button to start the Viva. What else? Almost forgot to show you guys. Didn't put the microphone now, but here our new gas. I think what's it says? Yeah, gas shocks. It has, I think, a stiffer or looser thingy, and a bunch of other bolts. For the axle, yeah, new stuff. So, yep. What's this? It's a box. Oh, this is, I think, yeah, this is a fuel level gauge. Yeah, I mean, we have all kinds of new stuff. For the car, we just have to get enough time to fit it all in. So, yeah, the time is an issue. But everything in due time. So, yeah, I guess I'll show you. Here's the axle now. On this side, we've almost taken it all apart. Here's a complete axle, the one that we took out. So this is the bigger axle, which we'll be putting all the stuff into. Might have to get some stuff welded, since you can see through in a couple of spots. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the Viva. We need money, we need time, and neither of the things are something we have a lot of. So everything gets done when we have either or thing. But the arcade room, where's the button? Ta-da! Yeah, the arcade room now is, still have a few places that I need to sand the wall. Still need cabinets, but we have a tool thing. We have another tool thing that's coming to this wall here. Obviously, it's not painted all the way yet. There'll be, I think, 2 cabins will fit here and 3 on this side. So this tool rack will be here. Then we can, it's a 47-inch TV, an old one from the inside. We just need to put the Logitech racing wheel here and, you know, take my laptop here and stuff. But a crossbow might be doing some kind of slow-mo shots with that one here in the garage. And then we have one last thing that's new. It was kind of a cheap thing that I bought from, you know, the internet. But yeah, let's go take a look at that one. So now I've got the other microphone connected to the back bumper of the car. Let's see if I can put the camera somewhere, and we'll go for a little drive. Now I have 2 microphones. Maybe I'll put the other one here, as you can see. Wait, this is not working. It's so hot in here. It's like the hottest day of the year so far. It's like plus 30 degrees Celsius, so I'm boiling in the car. But I will take a small ride. There we go. First to last, because the magnet is very hard on this. Let's see. I'll put it outside. Will it drop from here? Hopefully not. Let's see if we can get some better audio with the car. I can see the other microphone from the mirror, so I know if it drops off. Let's get it. So this is a Ford 17M with a 1.7 liter V4, and I'm actually cooking in here. It's probably like plus 40 Celsius in here. Hopefully you'll stay there with your camera. We'll just take a quick trip. This car is from 1971. Steering is very nice. It goes great without, you know, having to turn anywhere. If I just let it go, it will go wherever I want it to go. What else? No radio. There's hardly anything electric on this car except the lights and the windshield wipers, which are, you know, very fast. Then you just have to stop them wherever they stop. I think it's a beautiful car, and I got it for, I was in 300. Not sure if we're gonna back with that, I'll take you with me, and we'll see other cars doing burnouts, in the future on this channel. I mean, I can't say we're gonna do burnouts of this car ever. That depends on the money situation, and if we ever change the engine to this car. There are versions of this car that are faster with bigger axles, I guess, and bigger brakes and so on. Because, as I said, this is a 1.7 liter. There's a 2 liter, 2.3 liter, 2.6 liter, at least that I know of. I'm not sure if there's any other bigger engine Ford M cars. So yeah, this is a nice car. I like it. Whoops. It seems like you dropped out of the passenger seat. Just a quick show how warm it is here. Yeah, that's sweat dripping down my face. Yep, it's a bit warm. Here's the car from the outside. If anyone knows where to get the window crank mechanism, I mean, this window doesn't, I mean, it goes down and up, but it doesn't, work. So here it is. Matte black. A beautiful color. I might go with army green with a shark on this side, but I guess we'll see. Jesus Christ, it's so hot. That's good enough. Let's head it back. I took the other microphone out. The other microphone out from the outside because I figured it made wind noise to that video. So let's see, maybe I'll put the oops, pressed something, hopefully nothing happened. I put this, when I put it up here, it'll be like the perfect spot for it. Stay there. Let's see. There we go. Maybe that'll work, or then it'll drop down. Alright, let's head back. Again, first to last, so the synchro gear thing gets everything going and it doesn't crunch into gear. Let's see, we're going backwards. There's a swimming place near this parking lot that I stopped at. Oh man, it's hot. Way too hot. Let's see if you guys can hang tight with me. Yeah, I guess this works somehow. I love little cars, but they just, we need, or I need a bigger garage, right? Because I have space for one car in the garage. And I have, well, now I can fit 3 cars onto the front of the house, but that's pretty much it. So 4 cars is the max, and our car is still the Lexus. Yeah, that's still in the garage. garage. Not in my garage, it's in some other guy's garage. See, this thing is pretty bouncy. Yeah, it still needs its axles done. It's been there for like 6 months. But I guess we'll see when it comes back. You know, might be a week, might be another month. Don't know about the price. That's something that I hate thinking about. What the price of the changing of the front and rear axle is gonna cost. And of course we'll continue the Viva as always. But one thing is that I have a lot of the tools inside the Lexus, which obviously is not at our place. It's like 200 and some kilometers away from our house. I'll shut up now so you can listen to the car. I guess that's pretty much it for this episode. If you want road trips with this car, if you want, you know, car meet videos, write a comment. I mean, we'll be going to those kind of places anyways. Yeah, this was just a quick video to show what's new and why I'm broke at the moment. So yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye bye. It's hot outside. I'll see you next time. Bye. I'm going into an air-conditioned house. Would you believe it? Good night.